Eat ka na. Chato, hi guys. Let's eat. Anong ulam mo? Egg. Sabaw. What's that? Lucky Me? Noodles? Okay, and then egg. And then what's that? In your, in your hands. What's this? Banana, right? You don't know? Ikaw babugay ka talaga. Atik-atik always. Katik-atik kay mommy. Always atik-atik ba? My love. Ito na. Princess, oh. Princess. Shh. Kaon na, kaon na. Shh. Say. Ming. Alis ka dyan, Ming. Ito na. Shh. Say, Ming. Yummy. But not always. Noodles. Dito siya healthy sa hair, sa kids. Kunti-kunti lang. Gusto niya white. Ayaw niya ng yellow. Wala nga ako feeding. Ay, hindi ka nakapag-pray, love. Thank you for the food, Jesus. Amen. Princess. Princess, oh. Princess. Yum. Egg with noodles. Ayaw niya magkain ng yellow sa kanya kapag mga boiled egg na. Ayaw niya. More? Let's eat. Eat. Princess, open mouth. Okay lang, good eh. You. Good.
Hey, Mom. Po and opo.
Put natin white.
Yes, po.
Yes, po, Mom.
No po, Mom. Like that. Yes, po and opo.
Big mouth. Good. Sit down. Sit properly. You forgot the song there in the church?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Di ba may happy birthday daw doon? Who is the birthday celebrant there? Kids or ano?
Kids.
Kids? Oh.
Kita.
What's the name of the kids? You forgot? You don't know the name of the kids? You just sing happy birthday? What's that? May I see your face? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, sit properly, love, love. Sit down, sit down. Big mouth na. Good.
Dito ba? Anong ulunin mo? Sila yun.
Monkey ka na naman? Are you monkey, Lablab? Yes? Opo?
Si Opo lagi.
Opo, you're a monkey?
Si no po. Opo. No po.
Meron na naman akong monkey.
No po.
Oh, really? You're so cute. Princess! Oh.